guys, Secret here. I thought I'd do you a quick video showing you the first locks I picked. Thanks for help and advice from you guys. You can get it to focus. This is the training lock. Didn't take me very long to open this, but I was over the moon when it first opened. And then I realised how easy this one actually was. But I did learn a fair old bit from it. So it was definitely time well spent. Then I moved on to the cylinder lock, SSK 5-pin. It's locked. This one took me 11 hours to open the first time. But as I say, I did learn a lot from this lock. And there we go. Again, thanks for letting me join the site, guys, and thanks for all the help and advice I've been given so far. See you later.